Power banks are an essential these days, but most of the times the highly priced ones do not deliver good quality. But is that true for all the power banks? Let's check it out in today's video. Hey guys, this is SP World back here with another video. So today I have with me the Foxin Power Hero FPB-1004. It's a cool power bank that I bought recently. Never used it a bit, and I thought that I had to do a review on this because this is a really good power bank that is underrated. Yeah, really underrated by other people. This is a power bank that most of people don't know and miss out. Coming to the physical overview of this power bank, we have a charge display over here which displays the percentage of charge in the power bank, and on the sides we have three output USB ports, and all of them support fast charging, and it is a very great useful feature. And if you look at the other side, we have got a charging port for the power bank and an LED light, and on the other sides we have nothing. And I had to say it has a very good build quality, and it feels a bit heavy, but it is not a problem for me because I don't carry it in my pocket. So right now, as you can see, I'm beating it up on the table and testing its build quality, and I'm applying a lot of pressure on it, and right now I'm going to bend it, and actually it's not even bending like most of the cheap power banks do. So really good build quality over there. So the flashlight on this power bank actually works, so that is something that we have to appreciate, because most of the power banks I have used, flashlight just doesn't work. Thumbs up for that, Foxin. So for those who need the real specifications of this power bank, here it is. So if we look at the back of the cover, we can see the features of this power bank. LED indication for battery level, 2 amp, ultra fast charging, overcharge and undercharge voltage protection, protection from short circuit, battery deep charge protection. So its capacity is 10 mAh battery. It's a 10 mAh battery, as I said before, I think, and it has 3 outputs. Weight is 275 grams, and it comes with a flat cable, micro USB charger, and a user manual. So as I just said, this power bank comes with a USB cable of its own, so it's of a very good quality. So as you have just read in the features, this power bank comes with a warranty of 1 year. Yes guys, you heard it right, 1 year. It's really amazing to have a 1 year warranty for a power bank. Like, I don't think you would get this for any other power bank at this price range of 1,500. So a really good job by Foxin over there. If you like my channel contents and need more of this, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post. And also be sure to like this video and share this to all your friends. And this is Sarang Bujesh signing off.